got a lot of pieces that I've made on some various material, and today I'm gonna make some custom frames so I can actually hang all those pieces. So I found this guy who runs his own fencing company, and he's got a whole storage container full of fucked up wood, slightly damaged in some way that he's not going to be able to use it for a fence. So I met up with him and filled my car with all the wood he couldn't use, took it back here, and I'm gonna try and figure out how to make my own frames for my art. So I've never done this before, so let's see how it goes. It should be a fun experiment. First things first, let's get the table saw out. Yoo-hoo! All right, we got the saw. We got a stack of art. Basically what I'm gonna do is cut out the sections that I can use for the frames, size them up for my art pieces, and then what I'm gonna do is line them up in a square, cut them at a 45-degree angle where the corners meet, and then stick them together, and we got ourselves a frame. Should be easy enough, right? Let's go and find out. Getting those corners lined up perfectly is a bit of a challenge, and I've definitely made a good bit of lopsided frames, but whatever, we're learning. After I got them lined up, locked in together, I'm gonna sand them down because the wood is pretty rough. You know, I want it to be something nice that someone can hold in their hand, hang up on their wall. I want it to look fucking sick, right? Special piece, and I want to make this frame extra special. Now that it's all sanded, I'm gonna wood burn some designs on the frame. Designs are looking cool, but I want to take it even further and add some light. Each art piece, depending on how it looks, I'm gonna stylize the frame in its own way. So that adds just a whole nother layer to this, right? It's so sick. Everything just keeps building up and gets cooler and fucking cooler. Now I'm not only making original art, but I'm making original frames for the original art. So I'm gonna just try out a bunch of different ideas for this. Yeah, this one turned out fucking amazing. I guess all that's left to do is show you guys. So here it is. all my frames I've been working on, it came out super cool. Man, this took a while, and I've definitely got a lot of learning to do. It's a lot of work, to be honest, but it's super cool, and as long as you guys got some tools and some wood, you can definitely make your very own custom frames for your art as well. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys, and that's all I got. I'll catch you later. Peace.